Hi, welcome. So today in this video, we are going to learn about another theorem of circles, and that says that equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center, right? So let's start with this, and I'm sharing, my screen here. Yes. So here we are, and in this diagram we are given a particular circle. There is a circle and there are two equal chords in the circle, and that is AB, and then we have PQ. Now these two are AB is equal to PQ, and they are both are basically the chords of the circle. Now what we need to prove is that these two angles are equal to each other. So we are saying, so what it means is angle AOB is equal to angle QOP, right? So this is what needs to be proven, right? This is to be proven. All right. So what we are going to do is we are going to simply consider these two triangles, which is basically we have one triangle as triangle OAB, and the other one is triangle OQP. These are two triangles which we are going to consider here, and let's see that. So when we consider these two triangles, we can say that AB is equal to PQ, right? And that's given in the question here. And then we also know that OA is equal to OQ, because that is the radius of the circle. These two are the radii of the same circle. Then we also know that OB is equal to OP. That's the radii of of the same circle. So now what we can say is that these two triangles are basically congruent to each other, and when these two triangles are congruent to each other, then obviously these two angles will also be equal to each other. So this is how we can say that angle AOB is equal to angle QOP, right? So this is how we can say that the equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center of the circle, right? So now we'll move on to the next one. We have another theorem here which we need to prove, and that's one of the most used theorems of circles which we need to prove here, and that is the line drawn through the center of a circle. So if there is a line which is drawn from the center of the circle, right? So this is the center and there is a line drawn to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. So if we have a line OM which is drawn such that it is going through from the center of the circle, and it is also bisecting the chord which we have here A and B, right? So what we can say is that OM is bisecting the chord AB, right? So what we can say is that AM is equal to BM, and what we need to prove is to prove is that this angle is a 90-degree angle. Or we can say that OM is basically what we need to prove is that OM is perpendicular to AB. This is what needs to be proven. So what we are going to do is we are going to consider again, two triangles, and that's going to be one triangle is triangle OMA, and the other one which we are going to consider is OM and B. Now here, one simple thing is that OM is common in both the triangles. It's the common side. We can simply write common side, right? Now let's consider another two sides, and that's OA is equal to OB, because that's the radii of the, both of them are the radii of the same circle, right? So that's the second property which we have proven equal. And the third one is going to be AM is equal to BM. Now that's already, proven here. So that's the equal sides, or we can say that because OM, because since OM is bisecting AB. Now having these three properties, equal to each other, what we can say is that triangle OMA is congruent to triangle OMB, right? So we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. And when these two triangles are congruent to each other, we can say that therefore angle AMO is equal to angle BMO, and that's going to be 90-degree, right? Because this entire angle is the straight angle, right? So we can say that if there is a line which is say OM, right, in our case, is drawn through the center, and center is O of a circle to bisect a chord, and that is A, B, then that is perpendicular to the chord. Perpendicular meaning we can say that OM is perpendicular to AB, right? So this is how we have proven this in this particular video, and I hope you enjoyed and understood this. And we'll be coming up with more theorems of circles in my next video tomorrow. Keep watching these videos. Thanks, and have a nice day. Bye bye.